Animals can't talk. But if they could, what do you think they'd say? They'd say, please help us pass laws to protect us in places where there are none. They'd say, please make sure existing laws are enforced because in a lot of countries, they're not. They might tell us that in the poorest countries, it's impossible for us to find free veterinary care. They'd say when natural disasters strike, our homes are also destroyed. They'd say many horrible abuses still go on every day, undisclosed and even unnoticed. We all know that animals can't talk, but if they could, they'd probably say, help. Won't you help? Lend your voice to animals today. Join Network for Animals today and help.